So y'all know Dallas got some snow. But we still got out. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I got for my new business, so stay tuned. Alright, let me go ahead and move this. So y'all, this is my first vlog, but I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm doing. So I'm getting ready for my Amazon FBA business. So I just ran the Staples. And if you don't know, Amazon FBA is where you purchase products in bulk, send them off to Amazon, then they ship them to your clients via Amazon Prime. So you ain't even gotta worry about none of that. Oh, let me take this off. Y'all, the snow in Dallas is something different. Like, it's not as bad. Like, really, it's just a little bit of fairy dust. But one thing about Dallas, like, they don't have salt trucks. So in Michigan, when it snows, we got salt trucks running 24/7. Here, like when it's ice, like black ice, like it's black ice for real. But, so what I had to get was, so I got some boxes. Ooh, which I think these might be a little too small. But we're gonna see. So I got some boxes to ship the product out in. And then I got me a printer. And one thing, so don't be like me. So I had to end up getting a new printer because I had gave away my printer before I left Michigan. Totally forgot that I need to print shipping labels. So I ended up getting a regular printer that's gonna print the labels. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and move this over to, well, I'm actually gonna get this open first. So let's get this open. It's my knife. See my little kitchen? Oh, let me take this hat off. Oh, don't mind my hair. Probably got all types of stuff going on. Okay, so let me move this. Let's get this printer open. So the printer I got was a Brother printer. And the reason I got this one was because one, all the HP printers were sold out. And I didn't want to wait. So I ended up getting this Brother printer. I think it was like $100 or something. Because I only need just to print out the shipping labels when I send my products to Amazon. Oh, they do come with ink. So I ain't really need nothing too fancy. See how big it is? Now flip it upside down. Yeah, this one will get the job done. So I'm gonna figure out how to put ink and all that stuff in there and then restart it once I'm at my computer and getting everything printed out so I can show you guys exactly what I'm doing. All right, y'all, so this is my workspace and these are little products that I'm selling. So I bought 100 of these, so I have to go ahead and, hold on, let's see. I already printed out my barcodes. So with Amazon FBA, you got to put the barcodes on every single one of your products. So I'm going to go ahead, finish putting the barcodes on everything. And then we're going to get them loaded up in the little boxes. Right. So this is typically what I do on a day-to-day. Well, really not typically. So I probably would do my Amazon products maybe once every 2 weeks, depending on how many products I get sent in. And then the rest of that is just filming, editing, YouTube videos. And that's pretty much it. Other than that, I just be chilling. But one thing that I did want to talk about in this vlog is I've been noticed, like, especially when you come from a small city, do y'all ever notice that people feel like you're not being transparent if you don't have a struggle going on? Like, I feel like that's very, well, I don't feel like it's very weird because I feel like a lot of people do struggle. So they want to know the different struggles that everyone else goes through. But sometimes, like, I don't think people realize, but everybody's not struggling. Like, especially when it comes to your business, depending on how long you've been doing it. Like, when I started my business, I started, back in, 2015, 2016. And even during that time, I had already graduated college. I had a career going on. So it's like I didn't really have a reason to struggle. Like, a lot of times, like, with business especially, a lot of the struggle comes from either not having the funds, the knowledge, or even the resources. But, like, for me, especially starting off, like, I don't know, it's just been a little different. that's something that was on my mind though. So I just gotta get these put on here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and load up the boxes. And one thing that I also want to do with this vlog is show y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the boxes real quick, which they are over here. And one thing that Amazon is particular about, like, you got to make sure you count every single last product that you put in these boxes. You want to make sure everything gets accounted for. You send your product in. Just take that right. Alright, got our box together, and I'm just going to take the bottom up for a little bit of safety. But I think Amazon FBA is a good business for a lot of people start. The cost of entry is a little bit more expensive than other businesses because you got to buy a lot of products in bulk to get them shipped out to it. Because one of the perks of having Amazon FBA is that they ship your products out. Why is this stuff? They ship your products out through Prime. So all you got to do, pack up everything in this box, get it shipped right out, and you ain't got nothing else to worry about. Come on, tape. Oh, so the tape going this way, or maybe not. There we go. Shoot, I think I'm doing this wrong. I don't want to mess nothing up. Take the box up, take the bottom up. Hopefully my hair don't get stuck to it. This box folded up a little weird, but it's gonna work. Okay, now we got our little box. Now we can start putting our products in there. I hope I'm not too far away. Let me move some of this stuff out the way. Ooh. A little Alexa that I'm using. A little water bottle. So I'm gonna see how many of these products actually fit in this box. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So one thing about Amazon FBA is that you do not tell people what you're selling. So I've been following this girl and she was like, with Amazon FBA, it's enough products out there on Alibaba that everybody can sell their own product. Because what you don't want to happen is people find out what you're selling and then they start selling that too. Because as you know, every time something gets saturated, what people try to do for sales is they'll, let's say you got your product listed at $27. They might list theirs at $25 just to get the sale. And you don't want nobody undercutting you like that. So what I can do is show y'all how to find different products. What I use to spy on my competition. And so the app is called Jungle Scout. So I use Jungle Scout to spy on my competition. See what exactly they make per month. So then y'all can do the exact same thing. And I'm going to actually show y'all on the computer what exactly Jungle Scout is. Like, cause some people, like, especially with Amazon FBA, like, you got people who be making, like, it'll show you they be making $1 million per month. Some people just make 6 figures per month. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these loaded up so I can show y'all exactly what it is. That's if y'all interested in Amazon FBA. Because I know a lot of y'all follow me from the hair business side, which Amazon FBA is a lot more profitable. Okay, so we got our box filled up, which I'm gonna go ahead, get this sealed. So we have our box, and we're gonna put this to the side and start working on filling up our next box so we can get these shipped right over to Amazon. Then what we're gonna do is go ahead, because I didn't end up setting up my printer yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and print these labels out and then get them shipped off to Amazon. Now that way, let me pull up Jungle Scout for y'all, hold on. Okay, so I'm all logged into Amazon. I got my Jungle Scout up. So we're gonna look at some different products, and it's gonna tell you what's ranked. Let's see, let's pick a product. We're gonna go with, okay, let's see these yeah, let's see how much these Pampers make per month. Okay. No thanks. Okay, so it's showing for these particular Pampers, it's showing us they make $500,000 per month. Their average price is $9.97. Monthly sales, they get approximately 53,000 orders. So yeah, so $500,000 per month selling Pampers ain't bad at all. It's actually great. But let's look at some other products. Can y'all see that? Y'all can see it a little bit. And this is where you see the monthly total. So let's see what else they got on here. Let's say you wanted to sell, well, let's look up that perfume stand that I purchased. Which mine was like this. So this is a $25 acrylic perfume stand. So let's go ahead, hop in their business real quick. And you can use this to start researching different products you want to sell on Amazon. Okay, so for this one, price $24.99. They do on average 926 sales per month. Monthly revenue for selling just this one product is $23,000. That's pretty good too. And you, one thing about Jungle Scout, you can do that for every single product that y'all see on Amazon. So let's see. This one has 1,400 reviews. Let's go hop in their business real quick. Okay, so this one makes a little bit more per month. They make on average 42,000 per month. Monthly sales $969, and they sell theirs for $43. So yeah, so that's why I wanted to sell on Amazon. And plus with selling on Amazon, they don't have to know it's you. Amazon ships their products off to them right away. Ooh. Get on out of here. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my product shipped off to Amazon. I ain't gonna tell y'all what my listing is, but yeah, y'all see it on there. And then the last thing that I'm gonna do today is write out my weekly goal, because today is a Sunday. So I'm gonna write out my weekly goals and show y'all exactly how I do that. So this is the whiteboard that I use. And I use this to pretty much map out my week, as you can see, Monday through Friday. So I'm gonna go ahead and write down the different important things that I have to get done this week. And then I also plan out my content a month ahead. So this is all of my March content. And this is a two-sided board, which I linked it to my Amazon store. So on the back, I just have my YouTube goals, which I want to eventually get to 100,000 subscribers. And then I mapped out how exactly I'm going to get there. So if y'all want to see me break this YouTube goal board down like step by step, drop that in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'm just going to show y'all how I plan for my week. So the first thing that I start with is any important appointments or any brand deals that I have to do. So I know Monday I have a CNBC interview. Mondays are typically my admin days as well. So I got my CNBC interview. I have to do my Voyage Dallas interview, which I have to just complete that. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is plan out my content. Well, not really plan out, it's just get my, like, any outfits that I'm going to wear, like, throughout the week, as this is a film week for me. So on Tuesday, I'm going to be filming. And as you know, Tuesdays are my upload days. So I have to make sure I upload my video, and with uploading, I have to also send out my email. And then on also Tuesdays, I monitor my stats. So Wednesday is also a filming day for me. So when I film my content, I like to do batch filming. So the content that I'm filming for this week is going to be my March content, if that makes sense. So I'm filming it all this week. So I'm going to do Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It's all going to be filming content, which when I film, I typically film for about 4 to 5 hours at a time. So I'm going to get all that content batched. And then another thing on Wednesday that I'm going to do is we're going to start getting ready for our upload on Thursday. So we got upload prep. And then this is just all when I start creating my, let me write Canva, YouTube thumbnails. So whatever videos that I film this day and on Tuesday, I'm going to be doing the Canva thumbnails on Wednesday. And then Thursday, I don't want my board to be flipping over. So on Thursday, we uploading and we sending out our email, and then we monitoring our stats and comments. And Friday is all editing. And anything, like especially with Fridays, anything that I film throughout the week that I didn't get done, like if I have to erase some of the stuff that I don't end up completing, I'm going to end up moving that over to Friday. Because typically, so after this week is done, next week I'm going to be doing a lot of editing. So it's going to be a lot of editing, making sure that my content goes smoothly, and then responding to different sponsorships and stuff like that that I got to do. But that's pretty much how I plan my week. So we're going to keep Friday open. And typically what I like to do is, my standard is an 8-hour work day. But sometimes I like to do, well, it depends. Like if I take a 2-hour lunch, then I know that I'm going to be staying 2 hours late. So I actually have a little clock that I set at my desk that lets me know how many hours I'm doing. Because you know when you work for yourself, you pretty much get to free ball your day. But you don't want to be... You want to be all unorganized, because if you start just doing whatever, then you're not going to get the work done. So this is the best way I came up with to stay organized. So that way every single day I'm crossing off different things as they go. So today was a fairly easy day, because really all we had to do was go to the store, get our printer, get our boxes, fulfill our Amazon orders, get that packaged up so we can put the labels on, get them shipped out, showed y'all how to use Jungle Scout to find products if you want to sell on Amazon, and then how we plan our day. And that's pretty much it for this vlog. But yeah, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel, by the way. And if y'all want to see more vlogs like this, drop that in the comment section below. And yeah, don't forget to follow me. I'm Destiny Adams on everything. Peace out.